Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and today we are going to start filming the Pfaff Select 4.2 sewing machine. Now this is very similar to the Pfaff 3.2 and the 2.2, so if you have one of those machines, check out these free tutorial videos and let's learn something about your machine. So here's what we do at sewingmastery.com. You're going to find a video on every page of the manual. So if you're looking for just one little thing like how to do a buttonhole or how to do a blind hem or how to clean your machine, you can go right to that video, click on it, watch it, and it's exactly on your machine. So we're going to start off today by opening up a brand new machine, seeing what comes inside, and then let's get started. So as you've probably heard, this is one of my favorite parts of getting started is breaking the seal of the new sewing machine. So as we open this up, one of the things I do know that's in here is a hard case. But right on top, before we get down to the machine and the hard case, the foot control and power cord are going to come out first, and a little bag of accessories. Now in our accessory video, we are going to show you like where you put everything and how to stay organized. So super fun there. Okay, so next, one small piece of styrofoam, and the hard case is going to be over the top of it. Now we're going to pull this off separately because then there's styrofoam around the machine. So it's really well protected when you get this machine. This will just go off, and then I love the fact that there's a handle on the sewing machine. It's going to come up through the hard case, so when you carry it, the hard case kind of floats over the top of it, keeping it real protected, but you're actually lifting the sewing machine when you travel. Okay, so speaking of handle, I can see it's sticking right up here, so we're going to just pull the whole thing out, and yes, styrofoam, here we come. Like I said, nicely protected. Beside the styrofoam is also your owner's manual and warranty for this machine. So I'll make sure you know exactly what is covered under the warranty for the Pfaff sewing machine. And here we go. I love this. It's just kind of one on each side. So if you are packing this up to put back in the box, maybe you'd prefer to travel with it in the actual box it came in. It's really easy. So 3 pieces of styrofoam, that shouldn't be too hard. Look at this. Here she is. Ta-da! So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this machine plugged in. We're going to start off on how to thread it, get your bobbin correctly inserted, and all the things you need to know about running this machine, how to get to the stitches, how to get your tension set when you start to work with fun decorative threads. We'd love to have you watch all the videos on the Pfaff 4.2 Select machine, and are you ready to get started? I am. So we'll see you at the next video as we start to really help you understand how to use this machine to its fullest.